Alright, so I'm going to go long here inside this order block. And it's actually a 2-minute chart we're looking at here on the right hand side. And I'm going to be aiming for the 39.12 buy side liquidity. I'm going to see it trade back up into that volume imbalance. If the volume imbalance will support price, then I'll feel like I'm on side. We have a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. 2 candles to the left, that big green candle. And we might drop down into that BISI before running out 39.10 level. So I'm annotating the 1-minute chart order block and the liquidity pools I'm aiming for. So that's permissible right there. You can see it dropping down into that. Stop's been raised. Note where the bodies of the candles are forming inside of the volume imbalance. And we traded down into that BISI. Still haven't hit consequent encouragement of that, so positive price action. Again, look at the volume imbalance. The bodies are being held inside that volume imbalance that I tweeted to you in advance. So I'm watching this order block here, and it could touch that volume imbalance again like it did there. Now I'd want to see it snap higher, running into 39.10, and then ultimately, if I can get it, 39.12. Limit orders are waiting at the 39.10, 39.1050 levels respectively. There's one. Stop is better than break even. Second limit order is off. Now I have 2 remaining. And we'll see it punch up into that 39.12 for a victory dance.